Okay, I'd like to just take a couple of minutes to uh, record this video to make the process of building out a scenario, management scenario for support system a little bit easier. The way you would do that is simply click on data. And incidentally, we're talking about pages, I believe it's 99 through 105. Pretty sure that's what it is. But you click on data and then go over to what if analysis. Once you click on that, you'll see the three choices: goal seeking, data table. What we want is scenario manager. Click on that, and actually it provides us each of the different opportunities. Let me delete those so that we can redo them. And we'll go through the first one. And the first one is uh, the first one is recession high inflation. And we need to grab the correct cells. And the correct cells here are our choices: recession, low inflation, so on and so forth. And so I click on those, click OK. And the first one we're looking for is recession, high inflation. Click OK. Add the next one, which is recession, low inflation. The cells are correct, so we don't need to change those. Um, we need, that's right, recession, low inflation. Okay. We need the next one, which is boom, high inflation. Cells are correct. Click OK. And we need, okay, that's got to be boom and high inflation. Okay, and our last one that we'll add is boom and low inflation. Click OK. We need boom and low inflation. Okay, and I think we're in pretty good shape with each of these. Just when I push show, what it did is just set it up for boom and low inflation because I've got it for each of those different scenarios right there. And it also verifies that we're running the data appropriately. Click summary. We want our numbers to come from the column D12 through D16, our key aspects right there. Then we simply click OK. And what we have is our data right here that that looks appropriate. Yeah. A quick scan, it looks quite good. This actually is, in 3 or 4 minutes, really the basis of the assignment. What you also have to make sure that you take very good care of, and that is to create a report or a summary sheet that's more intuitive. Spend some time looking at, for instance, the title of your report, how good it looks. I'm just assignment, college town, something along those lines. Take a look at all the data, how you can present it and make a more effective outline. In addition to that, be sure to set up a bar chart as required in the assignment that really presents the data well. And for instance, you probably don't need these columns, so you may want to delete those. But for the bar chart, you would simply, and I'm going to just do this real quickly without much thought, but highlight the areas, click insert, and we want to insert a chart. And again, this is lacking in real depth. But you can see here, even at the most basic level, we've got effective columns here. Our series does not make much sense. HR, these descriptors do not necessarily make good sense, particularly because these are exactly the same. So you have to look through those. There may be an error in the development of this. However, I'll let you correct that and work through it, but not only create an excellent summary sheet, but also an excellent chart that your boss or some other reader will be able to work with and understand intuitively without a lot of additional information. Also, watch the colors. Quite frankly, these colors are problematic. Something a little bit more professional. There are also the charts that are in the text are also relatively positive. Create something that's intuitive, thoughtful, and professional. Thanks so much for watching the video.